Good morning, one and all. This is Suraj Prakash Singh, working as an assistant professor in the School of Management Sciences, Varanasi. Today I am very glad and happy to welcome you all to the upcoming video series taught by me on various financial topics and other related topics which are very much important for a graduate and for a master's or a PG degree, right? So basically in this video or in the video series, I am going to talk about all the basic concepts related to financial, related to banking in a very, a layman word, so that each and everyone can understand in a very, in an explainable manner. They can know what the concept is, and because I believe in the concepts, if the base is clear, definitely you are going to build up the building very far in future. So in this total video series, I am going to talk about the various banking and financial services topics, financial management topics, environmental communication topics, which will be very helpful to each and everyone in the future period. So let's begin, and we hope that more and more people can get this video and can learn things from here, and definitely we will have a fruitful return from this video series. Done? So let's begin with the very first topic of the banking financial services, that is banking. So we are all aware about this pandemic which is going on right out this season, and we are all suffering from this. Hope you are all safe and doing good at home also, and also those persons who are working well at their home also. We all know that during this pandemic, the only sector which was running, which is running and which will run in future period of time during their working hours relating to funds, that is the bank itself. Banking is the only sector which was going on, which is going on, and which will go on in future time period in order to transact, in order to provide funds to the people as and when it is needed. Because right now money is the most important thing which each and every person requires in this present situation. So basically being एक नॉर्मल इंसान की तरह अगर हम सोचें तो बैंक कुछ बड़ा टर्म नहीं है, बट ये अपने आप में ही एक बड़ा टर्म है. Previously, a day before yesterday, I got a message from my banking official. He told me that I asked him what is the situation regarding your banking prospect. Then he told me, you have seen a movie called Titanic, in which we have seen a group of people playing their band till the time the Titanic ship is sinking day by day, sinking gradually. But they were doing the work as similar as whatever they have been responsible with. So I am talking about that this banking sector, whatever the situation is prevailing, still they are working, still they will work and provide funds to each and everyone. We all know that बाप बड़ा ना भैया, सबसे बड़ा रुपया. ये रुपया ही, ये पैसे ही एक ऐसा चीज़ है जो हर एक रिलेशन को, हर एक चीज़ों को आगे बढ़ाता है और चीज़ों को हमें फ्रूटफुल रिटर्न्स लाने में हेल्पफुल करता है. सो हियर आर द टॉपिक्स विच वी आर गोइंग टू कवर टुडे, विच आर इंट्रोडक्शन टू दिस बैंकिंग, functions of commercial bank, credit creation, mudra banking and microfinance. In these all sections, I am going to give you a summarized version so that each and everyone can have a prospect and can learn things in a layman type, and they can explain it on their own. I don't believe in writing all the things. I don't believe in getting up the things mummed up in you. You have a summarized knowledge, you know from the base, and start exploring yourself during these terms. So when we are talking about the first part, which is introduction, I've seen many of the books, I've seen many of the journals and everything, where I get lots of definitions for the banks and all these things. But in my view, you have all heard about the bank of the river. The bank of the river denotes the side of the river. So I can say that the bank is nothing but a side, which can be replicated or which can be represented with the side of the river. यानी ये बैंक एक ऐसा संस्थान है जो हमारे पैसों को एक किनारा देता है. That means we are not spending that amount in a haphazard manner wherever we like and all these things. हम उन चीज़ों को, उन पैसों को हम इधर उधर खर्च नहीं करते, बल्कि ये बैंक ही एक ऐसा सेक्टर है जो आपके पैसे को किनारा देता है, आपके पैसे को सेफ रखता है, आपके पैसे को ऐसी जगहों में यूज़ करता है जहां उसका वैल्यू बढ़ सके. सो आई कैन से दैट बैंक is similar to the bank side of the river or the side of the river, which gives a corner, which gives a safer side to the amounts you have earned, which gives a a way for natural investment in the future. That amount of the money can be invested in future so that we can earn lots of money. So when we are talking about the introduction, every country and citizens need the services of the financial institutions which deals with the money and finance required for accelerating the pace of the development. We all know that these financial institutions are going to be the base for increasing the pace of the development. Money for an individual is the lifeblood. We all know during this pandemic we have all witnessed the importance of money. If somebody has saved some money, if somebody has got some money in that, they can be used during this pandemic time, right? This corona have given lots of things to learn about the money, about the funds, about the services, etc. But this banking sector has never left our hand and doesn't leave us alone during this time. So for this we require a mechanism. The current scenario we call it a banking. In order to face the crisis, in order to face the situations, we need a mechanism called banking. The modern banking starts with the establishment of General Bank of India in 1786, then in 1809, and then in 1840. I am telling you in a very brief manner because I am not going to talk about with lots of sites and lots of Google. We can know all these things, but we should know from where the banking has been started. It has started from the very recent past, from 1786. We have heard about imperial banking. We have heard about we have heard about the Bank of Bombay and all these things. But during daytime, in the regular intervals, they have been increasing, growing day by day. Bank of Bengal and the Bank of Bombay was established respectively and subsequently amalgamated in the name of Imperial Bank of India. I can say that पहला बैंक अपने लिए तो इंपेरियल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ही होगा, क्योंकि वो 1786 से चलते चलते जब तक आते आते उसका नाम इंपेरियल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया होते गया. इट वॉज बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस. But when we are talking about after independence, the Imperial Bank was nationalized under the SBI Act of 1955. In this video, I am going to tell you that points which is very much required for you. Rather, rest of the things can be gettable in number level of websites and other things. The State Bank of India in 1934, the apex. We all know we have a family and every family has got a head. Likewise, this banking sector, the pool of the banking have got a head which is called RBI, or we can say that central bank is the head of the, it's the epic institutions which regulates the varieties or various types of banks which are there. And formed as this Reserve Bank of India established and become nationalized in 1949 and formed as central bank by an act of parliament. Under RBI, only all the banks are functional and being performed. I have already told you this RBI only regulates and supervises the other banks, Coming to this word bank, the bank word itself has been various origin, like in French it has been derived from banque, in Italian it has been derived from banca, which means table. That means a table where the exchange can be done, a table where the exchange of the funds can be done. So in the previous history, we can see that a bank is a financial institutions. In the previous section, we can tell that a bank is a table where the exchange can be done of the money. So I can say that a bank is a financial institutions which creates credit, which creates money out of the deposits, out of the savings which the persons are making. जो पैसे हम लोग सेव करके बैंक में रखते हैं, उसी चीज़ से जब लोन वो निकालता है और लोन प्रोवाइड करता है दूसरे लोगों को, तब वो बैंक का काम करता है. सो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि बैंक एक ऐसा संस्थान है जो लोगों से पैसे तो लेता है और उसी चीज़ को इन द मोटिव ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग लोन्स टू द पीपल हु आर इन नीड. सो हमको नॉर्मल तरीके से सोचना है कि ऐसे संस्थान जहाँ अपने सेविंग्स, जहाँ अपने बचे हुए पैसे जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं, वो पैसों को वहाँ पर रख दीजिए. वो सेफ है, वो मल्टीप्लाई होते जाएगा और वो जो पैसे हैं उन लोगों को मिल सकेंगे जिनकी उनको ज़रूरत है. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो द मेन रोल्स ऑफ द, अगर हम चाहेंगे एक बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट के हिसाब से एक बैंक का डेफिनेशन देखेंगे तो सेक्शन 5 सबसेक्शन 1 सबसेक्शन B of Banking Regulation Act 1949 defines banking as the accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by check, ड्राफ्ट और अदरवाइज. ये जो डेफिनेशन है अपने आप में ही हर एक मीनिंग का वर्ड आपको बताते जाएगा. मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि बैंकिंग क्या होता है. द एक्सेप्टेंस फॉर द पर्पस. नाउ व्हाट इज द एक्सेप्टेंस हियर? इट्स द अमाउंट ऑफ द मनी विच वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द पीपल हु हैव मोर. द एक्सेप्टिंग फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ लेंडिंग, हम डाल रहे हैं पैसा लेकिन बैंक उसे रख रही है किस लिए? उसे लेंड करने के लिए, उसे लोगों को देने के लिए. और इन्वेस्टमेंट्स ऑफ द डिपॉजिट्स फ्रॉम द पब्लिक, वो लेंड तो कर रही है किससे? एक तो सेविंग से और दूसरा हर वो डिपॉजिट्स जो पब्लिक बैंक में करता है ताकि उसे भी कुछ रिटर्न्स मिले. रीपेबल ऑन डिमांड, आपका पैसा है, आप जाहिर सी बात है आप ही का पैसा है, कोई मना नहीं कर सकता कि आपको जब पैसे की ज़रूरत हो, बैंक अगर आपका पैसा है, कोई बैंक आपको मना नहीं कर सकता कि हम आपको पैसे नहीं देंगे. सो इट इज़ रीपेबल ऑन डिमांड और अदरवाइज एंड विड्रॉल बाय चेक. रीपेबल ऑन डिमांड, जब चाहिए तब पैसा मिलेगा, और विड्रॉ कैसे होगा? थ्रू चेक, थ्रू आप बैंक में जाकर निकाल सकते हैं. Plus we can withdraw the money from the ATMs also. There are lots of varieties of tools are available for right now for getting this money wherever we require this one. So if I am summarizing this banking part, we can derive the main roles of the banking are: number one, it provide funds and infrastructural facilities. जाहिर सी बात है लोगों के पास अगर पैसे हों, if we have got funds, definitely it can be used for infrastructural फैसिलिटीज। जाहिर सी बात है इस पैसों को हम कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं, अपने कामकाज में। वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल कुछ भी हो सकता है, आप कुछ भी उसमें डाल सकते हैं। सो बेसिकली द मेन पॉइंट इज द बैंक प्रोवाइड्स फंड्स which can be utilized for infrastructural facilities. Coming to the second one, performing promotional activities. ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। आप नॉर्मली प्रधानमंत्री जी हमारे मोदी जी ने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें करवाई हैं। जो जनधन योजना था, उस जनधन योजना का जो बेनिफिट्स है, we can know, or the people of the rural people, they can know the importance of that Jan-Dhan Yojana, and we can see the effect. Every people, perhaps I would not say everyone, but most of the people have already earned, or we have most of the people have get some money from that Pradhan Mantri Jan-Dhan Yojana every time or every month during this pandemic time. किसी के अकाउंट में 2000, किसी के अकाउंट में 3000। तो ये प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटीज कैसे हुआ, ये बढ़ावा कैसे हुआ? व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रमोशन, इट टॉक्स अबाउट मोटिवेशन, राइट? प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना से लोगों के बैंक अकाउंट्स खुले, उन्हें किसी के पास जाना नहीं पड़ा था, क्योंकि पहले ज़माने में साहूकार होते थे, वी आर प्राइवेट मनी लेंडर्स, और इन्हें कहा जाता है इंडिजिनस बैंकर्स। हम लोगों के पास जाते थे रूरल एरिया में, उनके पास गिरवी रखते थे, उनसे पैसे लेते थे, वो हमारा ज़मीन या कुछ भी गिरवी रख के उस चीज़ों को एक्सप्लॉयट करता था। बट ये बैंक ही है जो हमें एक सहारा देता है। मैं शुरू से बोल रहा हूँ कि बैंक इज अ रिवर साइड, जैसे हम बैंक ऑफ द रिवर को रिवर साइड कहा जाता है, ये हमारे हमको एक डूबने के तरीके से बचाता है, हमारे एक किनारा देता है हमारे पैसों को। सो प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटीज़ क्या होती है? मोटिवेशनल एक्टिविटीज़, जब हम इस चीज़ों को बढ़ाते हैं, बढ़ावा देते हैं, लोगों के अंदर में जागरूक करते हैं कि नहीं, यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव अ बैंक अकाउंट एंड ट्रांजैक्ट विद डिफरेंट पीपल। सो बेसिकली बैंकिंग परफॉर्म्स द प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो, लोगों को बढ़ावा देना ताकि आप अकाउंट खोलें और उन पैसों को आप जमा कर सकें, उन पैसों के साथ आप कुछ भी कर सकें, वो आपका पैसा है लेकिन वो सेफ है। थर्ड, डेवलपिंग द बैकवर्ड एरियाज एंड डूइंग अ प्लान डेवलपमेंट अलॉन्ग विथ accelerating the industrialization and generating employment। इसमें बहुत सारे चीज़ें हैं। पहला आता है it develops the backward areas, जैसे मैं पहले ही बोल दिया हूँ that it develops the rural areas, और इन चीज़ों को हम जान सके कि हाँ, अब लोगों को पता चल चुका है कि एटीएम क्या होता है, अब लोगों को पता चल चुका है पैसे कैसे निकालते हैं। देयर आर वेरियस बैंकिंग कैश पॉइंट्स वेयर वी कैन विड्रॉ मनी बाय सेइंग सम सॉर्ट्स ऑफ कमीशंस टू देम, राइट? अब लोगों को ये चीज़ पता हो चुका है। दूसरा, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन बढ़ रहा है। जब हम रूरल एरिया में जाते हैं वहाँ के लोग ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रीज, एग्रीकल्चरल, ये सब पे डिपेंड करते हैं। सो बेसिकली व्हेन दे आर गेटिंग फंड्स, दे आर डेफिनेटली यूजिंग दैट फंड्स इन परचेजिंग डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज, इन परचेजिंग डिफरेंट टूल्स विच कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड इन ऑर्डर टू परफॉर्म देयर फ्यूचर एक्टिविटीज। लास्ट हियर इज जनरेटिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑल्सो। ये किसी से छुपा नहीं है दैट एवरी पर्सन हु हैज ऑलरेडी पास्ड अ ग्रेजुएट, हु इज ऑलरेडी अ ग्रेजुएट, थिंक्स अबाउट व्हाई नॉट टू वर्क फॉर अ बैंक, राइट? व्हाई नॉट टू जस्ट प्ले विद द मनी विच एवरीबडी इज डूइंग, राइट? We have all got dreams because we know the situation of the employment, we know the situation of the job. So everybody thinks that why not to crack a prelims and mains and go for an interview and have a we can have a scenario and we can know how we can generate the employment for them. हम इन चीज़ों को हम जान सकें कि हमको employment कैसे generate करनी है। So basically, if I am giving a summarized version for a banking sector, we can say that banking एक ऐसा चीज़ है जो आपके पैसों को बचा के रख सकता है। We can functionalize, we can give a way for infrastructural facilities. We can develop, we can have a different types of employment opportunities for different kinds of people, and no doubt it increases the pace of the development of the industries. It increases the rural areas, it increases, it uses or increases the pace of the development of the rural areas, and it is the base we have already witnessed it is the only base which was working 24 hours during their working time and during this pandemic, and each and everyone has already got the benefits which have been derived from banking. So in this session we have already gone through this introduction of the banking. In the very next session we are going to talk about the functions of commercial bank.